I lost Gwen. She was my MJ. I couldn't save her. I'm never gonna be able to forgive myself for that.
Горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа. И все твои обещания.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Stay with me, stay with me. Stay with me, stay with me.
Are you okay?